Good morning to you. Well, it certainly looks as though we're going to see a reasonable day, but in the south you might have to be patient because it'll start off quite cloudy and damp, but generally today there'll be plenty of warm sunshine around for many. Now let's take a look in more detail what's happening. This frontal system was responsible for yesterday's rain. It's still drifting along that extreme south coast, producing bits and pieces of rain first thing this morning. Eventually, though, it will fade away. So we could encounter some rain anywhere along that M4 corridor further south, light and patchy predominantly, but nevertheless worth bearing in mind. It is going to be a mild old start, though, in the southeast. That bodes well for some promising temperatures into the afternoon. Eventually, we'll see that cloud starting to break up, some sunny spells coming through. We might just catch the odd shower into northeast Scotland and into parts of East Wales, but generally speaking, into the afternoon, pleasant enough. So Wales, 22 degrees, some lovely sunny spells coming through. Northern Ireland, an isolated shower, but a pleasant afternoon to come with 18 degrees the high. Now, some of these showers may well just linger in the far north of Scotland. They shouldn't be too heavy or widespread, and generally, again, that cloud should be well broken with sunshine continuing. 20 degrees in Newcastle, and those sunny spells right across the Midlands and into East Anglia with just a light breeze, very pleasant. 25 is likely to be the maximum we should see. That's 77 Fahrenheit. There is always the risk along that south coast of still the odd rogue shower, but I think all in all we're looking at quite a pleasant Thursday afternoon and not too bad for the middle of August now. If we move through from Thursday into Friday, though, we need to draw your attention to this across the far north and west. We are looking at the potential for some very, very heavy rain, not just from one frontal system, but another one waiting in the wings right behind it. The isobars squeezing together, so pretty windy as well for this time of year. So we're keeping a close eye on that for this heavy rain to affect western Scotland and northwest England in particular. So it looks as though it'll be a grey and wet start for Northern Ireland and for Scotland. For England and Wales, though, we still continue to see some well-broken cloud and quite warm indeed. But as I say, by Saturday, that next system again still upon us. So the further north and west you are, the greater the chance of seeing more unsettled weather. It doesn't bode well for a great weekend, I'm afraid, across Scotland and the north of England. Further south of that, towards the Midlands, we will start to see more in the way of sunny spells coming through. But if you want to know where the best of the weather is likely to be over the weekend, into the south, where it still stays sunny and reasonably warm to come. That's how it's looking. Do take care.